Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got my little boyfriend with me today.
Like when you have a custom plate, it changes everything.
Oh yeah, I love it, dude. Bro, why you so sexy, bro?
You still recording?
Yeah. Look at that face. Sad boy over here. Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Turn on notifications before anything. Alright, cool. So, I got my boy Nick here.
What up?
What up? He actually owns an Evo 10. We're gonna be doing a review on his car, but first we gotta run the Titan, pick up some lines for your brother's car.
Yeah.
Okay. What does he got?
He has the WRX.
Ah.
So he just needs lines for his boost controller and stuff like that.
Gotcha. I know you, but the audience doesn't know you. Introduce yourself.
So basically, my name is Nick. I basically grew up in Orlando. I'm 24, and right now I'm currently pursuing a mechanical engineering degree, hopefully to get done within the next 2 years.
What got you into cars?
So basically, growing up, my brother was always like into cars as well, and you know the people that he surrounded himself with was like a whole bunch of other car people. And so that's kind of how I got hooked on, and then I guess also if you want to throw in the Fast and the Furious movies, that's another main reason why I got hooked onto what I'm doing today.
Alright, so why a Mitsubishi Evolution 10?
So basically I've always seen the Evos, you know, specifically from the Fast and the Furious movies, and you know, I always thought all-wheel drive would be a lot of fun. So when I was looking for an Evo, I kind of wanted something new, low mileage. So then I saw the 10s, and you know, to me, I love the body style, like the cuts, the wide body in the rear, and what mainly completes the car for me is the spoiler. Like honestly, it just looks really good in my eye. So I was like, this is the car, specifically in white too.
All right, so give me a list of the modifications and how much power are you making at the moment?
Okay, so right now the car has an upper intercooler pipe from Matt Performance. It has a Grimspeed 3-port boost controller. I have an excess power open dump down pipe, a Motive Concepts test pipe. It has the Tomei catback. It's on BC Racing suspension. And I have a 450-liter Walbro fuel pump. And it's tuned by my good friend named Alex. If you guys ever want an Evo tuned, or if you're looking for a tuner, you have an Evo platform, just hit me up. I could, you know, let him know. And basically the car right now, we were data logging, made around 360 to 350, so mid threes. So
no turbo or injectors?
No, not yet.
Okay. So what's your wheel setup?
Right now I am running the CE28 SLs. They are 18 by 10.5 plus 15 offset. And I have a 275/35 R18 Federal RSRR on it.
How do you like the tires? Are they good tires?
So the tires, I took a couple turns in them. They grip really well, and for the price, it's insane. They're like not expensive at all. And the only thing that people were complaining about was that they're really loud. In my personal opinion, my exhaust and like music and stuff like that make up for that noise. So it doesn't really bother me as much.
Nice, okay. So what are the future plans for this car?
Future plans for this car is, well, first, I want to get done with schooling and all that. And then, you know, if I ever get a daily, I would want to make this like bigger turbo, injectors, cams, and E85.
Okay.
That's just for the list right now. I want to make like around mid-5s.
Okay, as a daily?
Probably not as a daily at that point. I don't know.
That's good daily numbers, man. What do you mean?
I mean, yeah, it is, but I don't know.
Okay.
At that point, the maintenance would rise and stuff, so I don't know. That all comes into consideration.
All right. So what shops have you worked with already?
Basically, me and my brother, we installed the catback itself. Then the test pipe and the downpipe went on at the same time, and that came from my friend Benny. He has a shop out in Michigan. Then the BC suspension was basically done by Dynasty on Colonial. And then everything else from the motor, by like the upper intercooler piping, 3-port boost controller, was help from my friend Carlos. He also has an Evo 10, and my friend Alex, which is my tuner.
Nice. Okay. What shops do you plan on working with in the future?
Well, it depends on honestly on what I'm doing. Like, so if I'm doing something like, you know, that requires like a lot of like knowledge and you got to be careful with stuff that you're touching, I'd probably go with like a really good performance shop. So I'd probably take it to like Titan. I've heard RevWorks is good, but if I had to pick a shop, it would probably be Titan because I have a lot of friends over there.
Nice. All right. All right, Nick. So thank you for introducing yourself, telling us about your car, and let's move on to the driving portion.
Let's do it.
She sounds so good. Bro, what in the world? Hey, at least they work, right? Oh man, so you kept it pretty simple in here, huh?
Yes, sir, for now.
Alright. Any plans for the interior?
I want to get seats, and I'm thinking about a rear seat delete. Not 100% sure though.
Oh hell yeah, you should do that.
And then if I did that, I'd do like a roll cage, like a rear
Yeah.
roll cage.
You know, my Evo was like really low, so I never really like having anybody inside the car. So
Oh, really?
yeah, like I hated I just don't like passengers, honestly. You know what I mean? Like,
No, I feel you.
I hate having that extra weight for no reason. I'm fat as it is, you know, as it is. But yeah, man. Golly. Whoa. How much boost are you running?
It spikes at 27.
Jesus.
And it holds like 24, 25.
That's not good, bro. Can't have boost spike. No, that's crazy, man. That's nice. All right, Adam Mosey, listen to this song. Oh man, oh. Looks so good. Y'all ready for this? Hit it. Oh my god. That thing sounds insane. I need to get another Evo. God. Looks so mean. Sounds so good. Sounds amazing, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. That shit sounds amazing. Oh my god. I love that tailgate, dog.
I love it too.
That exhaust is nice. So much turbo noises. If you guys can't notice, I'm freaking sweating because it's hot as hell here in Florida.
I got you, DC.
Hate this. No more pools. I need the AC.
Exactly.
Dying, dog. Feel like I'm cooking. I don't know if it's just you or it's hot in here.
It's pretty fucking hot.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, just want to appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also want to appreciate the homie Bandit for coming out here and doing this with me. Stay tuned for more videos to come though, because we're definitely going to do a lot more since we always hang out and stuff and do cool car things. Rip down the street making cool turbo noises. But yeah.
Alright guys. Fire. Alright guys, well yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see in the future or whatever else. Tell me how you really feel, alright? Deuces. One love.